Understanding move-in funds in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase in English, move-in funds. This phrase is commonly used in financial contexts, but it can sometimes be confusing for English language learners. So, let's break it down together and make it simple. Move-in funds refers to transferring money from one account or place to another. It's often used in banking and finance. For example, if you transfer money from your savings account to your checking account, you are moving funds. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. Online banking. I need to move funds from my savings to pay for my car repair. 2. Investment. My financial advisor suggested moving funds into a retirement account for better returns. Sometimes, people confuse move-in funds with earning or saving money, but it's important to remember it's about transferring what you already have. You might hear this phrase in everyday conversation, especially when discussing financial plans or banking activities. It's a practical phrase in the world of finance and budgeting. That's all about move-in funds. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations, especially when dealing with financial matters. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.